accuracy of Russian missiles may be reduced, but not by their numbers. In Russia, the lack of new technology may worsen missile accuracy, but their numbers will not decrease, says the military expert. He noted that a long-range missile consists of an engine, a warhead, charging, and the so-called technological brain that directs this missile to a point specified by the operator. The production of missiles in the Russian Federation is regulated, continues, and they have no problems with this. If they need to increase the number of missiles, they will impose a second or third shift in the factories of the military-industrial complex. But they will have problems with the brains for these missiles. And how they solve this problem will depend on the number of missiles that will fly to you, said the expert. The expert also added that one should not forget about the Russian Federation, where missiles are also produced and designed for multiple launch rocket systems and air defense. Experts believe that this production can be reconfigured for the production of long-range cruise missiles. According to the expert, the use of this weapon will be influenced by the availability of technology which determines whether the missile will reach its destination. He did not exclude that the Russian military could revert to a Soviet-era technology, the inertial guidance system. Missiles then will not be very accurate. They will fly to a certain object, but hit the target with an error of 500,000 meters. Therefore, the accuracy of the missiles may decrease, and the number is impossible. Everything will depend on Western partners, who, through sanctions, prevent the flow of new technologies to the Russian Federation for the production of missiles, says the expert.